In last 2-3 years, we as HarperCollins globally we were trying to set up base in India for our global buying, and we all knew that there was a push from the top from shifting away from China. But we also knew that China is not going to give up very lightly. Actually, they are coming back very strongly. One major issue I found where Indian printers are lacking is customer service. Chinese had excelled in that. And this is how they are doing it. Now they are buying printing plants in Far East off the shelf, but replacing their customer service with their own original staff, so that there is no lag in the services to their customers. So this is what is killing us. One of the major segments we wanted to promote was Bible production. Yes, raw material is a killer. But at the same time, there are so many versions of Bible. It is not just everything requires a very costly, thin paper, or you might say the covering material and all that. There are normal Bible sets. But even then, the scales are very high. The volumes are very high. So I would say, initially the Indian printers got shocked by the sheer volumes. They never seen that kind of volumes. The other day we were discussing that we have hit a plateau in terms of like how can increase the business in India, but it seems that we have hit a plateau. Reaching there was also one thing which we never thought 4 years back, 5 years back. Egg and chicken situation. Printers are saying, give us the volumes or give us some commitments, we'll give you the result. Publishers are saying, give us the quality and all. I know a printer who's again going big, installing a big capacity for single color, which I believe is right. Actually, this is our strength. Why not play on that and then see about these novelty products and all. There is a model like Bridgevasi is doing. We know 2, 3 or more printers who have actually changed the whole value game here in terms of novelty books, children books. Just being printer and publisher relation, we have actually evolved it further. They are coming up with a ready product and giving it to us. We are taking away the cost of or the whole life cycle of developing a product and all that. We are getting a ready product. We just need to place an order, get the copies, and then they are getting it printed from China or wherever, producing it here. That's their call. But as a publisher, we are getting it. In terms of board books, we have placed a board book order with NewTech, with you as well. Recently, we did some books with you. So I think yes, quality or cost may not be as compared to China, but then our volumes are not that kind of that we can straight go to China. So it is making progress. It will be painful. It might be very tedious and all, but I think there are other areas we can focus on, like customer service. I said it requires over the years, what I have seen, printers are not investing in these soft skills. They may be putting new machines, everything, but they are not putting right people at the job, especially customer facing. That's an area I think which is stopping us.
Yeah.